Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Block Blast Solver application. So, if you are struggling to get high scores in Block Blast, today I will show you how to use the Block Blast Solver application to auto-save tricky levels and boost your score effortlessly. So, this app helps you calculate the best block placements for higher scores, find the best moves for long combos, prevents mistakes by suggesting optimal placements, and helps you reach higher scores faster. Here's how you get the app. So, first of all, open Google Play Store or App Store, type in Block Blast Solver, hit enter, and it will show up different search results. Now, install the Block Blast Solver if you see any app related to it. Then, after installing, launch the app and grant a screen recording access for it to analyze your game. Now, you'll have to simply open Block Blast, start playing, switch to the Solver app, capture a screenshot of your current board, upload the screenshot in the Solver, and it will suggest the best move. Go back to Block Blast and follow the suggested placement. Now, it will look something like this. You will simply open Block Blast, take a screenshot, navigate to Block Blast Solver, then upload your image, and as you can see, it will give you a figure analysis. The best 4 lines will be here. It will give you a step-by-step solution. Step 1, 2 and 3 and total lines completed will be 4. So, you'll have to simply upload and test screenshots in the solver and that will instantly help you score high in Block Blast. And here's how you can get insane scores using the solver. You can use it only for difficult moves to keep the game fun. You can stack combos by following its suggestions, or you can clear lines every 3 blocks to keep combos going. And that's how you use the Block Blast Solver app to master the game. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more gaming tricks. See you in the next one.